Outlook password prompt issue from Salman. Thank you, Salman, for submitting ticket. I've never seen a ticket from you, but thank you. Welcome to the channel. Outlook password prompt issue. All right. Hi, sir. Hello, sir. I'm using Outlook 2016. When I open Outlook, it will work fine for some time. Then automatically a pop-up will come to enter password, and after entering correct password, the pop-up will come again. I have configured the 2 email accounts in Outlook 2016. So this shouldn't be happening. I know exactly what you're talking about. And I do see one more note here from you. It says, it will be helpful if you mention the steps to troubleshoot this issue. Well, the Outlook issue for popping up password comes up mostly from what I've seen whenever you change your password for the domain or your Active Directory password. That's pretty much the only time this should be happening, and only if your password hasn't been replicated locally at local level. So what do I mean by that? Sometimes you would change the password on the domain, but sometimes there are different ways provided to you to change the password. The typical way is you lock the computer, or by doing this, by doing Control-Alt-Delete, and like this. By the way, you can do Control-Alt-Delete through the task manager if you go to, where is it at? It used to be here. Oh, wow. Did they remove this? Huh. Look at that. You used to be able to send, I guess haven't used it in a long time, but used to be able to send Control-Alt-Delete through the task manager. Anyways, you know how you do Control-Alt-Delete, and then it gives you different options to change your password. Can I do this? I'm going to try to do this on this remote computer, okay? There it is. So you can, lock, switch user, sign out, or change your password right here, right? So you click change password. It's going to ask for your old password. Let me see. So it's going to ask for your old password. Then you type in the new password twice. So that's normal way, and that should replicate locally, meaning that your computer will be aware as long as it's connected to the domain, like everything's fine, everything's connected to the network. It should replicate locally, and then when next time you open up your Outlook, it should know that you've changed your password because it was replicated locally. So open up your Outlook, and this is not exactly the Outlook that you're talking about, but it should just already know, and then it's just working. But if it's not aware that you've updated that password, and this can happen if you go to a website, usually for businesses that use SSO, single sign-on type of system, where they use one password for all kinds of different things, and they try to manage Active Directory authentication, meaning your password that you use to log into your computer through some kind of what I call a Mickey Mouse website that controls that. So you go to an SSO website, for example. What kind of website can I go to? I guess I'll just go to my own website. Imagine if I was to go to cosmicnova.com and I can't log into it. I would get a pop-up that's asking me to log in, and it's asking for SSO, single sign-on credentials. So if that's happening, then you use your regular computer login. So you use that regular computer login, but you may get a pop-up that says, hey, your password is going to expire, or your password has expired, and you can change it, and you can change it on the website for the SSO login. So any website which uses SSO login will have the ability to prompt you and change that password on the website. So now you changed the password on the website, but guess what? It hasn't replicated locally. So what do you have to do? Is do Alt-Control-Delete, or just lock your computer. So Windows L on your keyboard, lock your computer, lock, and then just unlock it with your new password. Okay? That should resolve it. And you've configured 2 email accounts in Outlook 2016, and it keeps coming up. It shouldn't be coming up. And you've already, looks like you've reset the email account. I'm going to wait for you to respond. I'm going to say, Hello. This is Irvin with PC support. Please make sure that if you use an SSO login, that if you happened to change the computer password on that website, that password is also replicated / updated at local level, not level computer. You can, you know what? I already said how to do it. I'm going to say please watch my video on this, and it's going to say number 26. That's the number of the video. Comes out Sunday. On Sunday. All right, let me see if I get this right. Hello, this is Erwin with PC Support. Please make sure that if you use an SSO login, and if you happen to change the computer password on that website, that the password is also replicated / updated at local level computer, to emphasize that it is what I mean. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to leave it open.